Rahul, Kanna, listen here. How to remember and recall the formula of cube? Very easily you can remember this formula. If you know the basic concept of square, cube is nothing but it is a three-dimensional figure. Square is a two-dimensional figure because it has only length and breadth, but here length and breadth are same. So this is nothing but side. So side, this is also side. So this is a plane figure. This is a three-dimensional figure, that is length, breadth and height, where length equal to breadth equal to height. All three are equal. And all the faces are square, six-sided, isn't it? All the six sides are in square shape. To know the formula, first you should know the basic formula. Area of a square. Area of a square. That is side into side. Since they have given A, just I am taking A units. This is what A units. Length is A units and breadth is also A units and height is also A units. So area of the square is side into side, that is A square. So in multiplication, when the base are same, power should be added. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Just to recall, I am saying all these things. But you know very well. Suppose if they give b, b into b, b square. If they give s, s into s, s square. Whatever alphabet you are using, you have to multiply that. Then area is nothing but, for this also I put, there is a video in my link. If possible, I will give you in the description box. Next, perimeter. Next one is what? Perimeter of a square. That is, perimeter means what? You have to add all the sides. That is A. That is A plus A plus A plus A. That is 4A. Perimeter is nothing but the circumference. Just you are coming around. You are coming around. From the starting point, you have to complete around and you have to reach the same point. That is the perimeter. Area is nothing but this, isn't it? So, if you know these two, then very well you will be able to say this formula. Because already I told you what is meant by volume. It is nothing but base area into height. Volume is base area into height. Why I am saying base area is, while you are pouring something, while you are putting something, automatically it will cover the base area, isn't it? It will go and lie down at the base fully. It will cover this whole area. Then while you are pouring and pouring, then it will reach up to the height what it is there, isn't it? So what is base area? What is the shape of the base here? Square. What is the shape of the base? Square. What then that means area of a square, A square. Height is nothing but A. The same procedure you are going to do. A is A to the power of 2 plus 1. It is nothing but A cube, cubic units. So volume is nothing but base area into height. Base area into height. So the base area, what is the shape of the base area? Just you see to that. Then you write that. Then height. So A cube. Next one is curved surface area. Curved surface. Curved surface is how many squares you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 6 I said. For the top and bottom, there are 2. Then the remaining squares how many? 4. So, curved surface, CSA or LSA, lateral surface area. Either you can say CSA or LSA. That is nothing but base perimeter. What is it? Base perimeter into what? Height. Base perimeter into height. Base perimeter, what is the shape of the base? Square. Base perimeter is nothing but 4a. Height is what? A. That is 4a square. So you should know this two concept, then very well you will be able to write this two formulae. Isn't it? Otherwise you can say that since you know all these four sides are in square, what is it? A square plus A square plus A square plus A square. 4a square. So for volume, you have to write base area. For curved surface area, you have to write base perimeter. I told you why you are taking area. Because while you are pouring, it will lie down, it will fill the base portion. For the curved surface area, how you will go? Suppose if you are starting here, then you have to circle it. You have to go around. So you have to remember this word perimeter or circumference, whatever it is. Is it okay? Then what is the total surface area? Total surface area is nothing but the whole figure, isn't it? That means what? Already you know this 4a square. Then plus top and bottom means what? 4a square plus 2a square. That is 6a square. Otherwise, you can say a square plus a square plus a square plus a square plus a square. How many times? 6 times. 6a square square units. Do you follow? Suppose those are unable to remember this, TSA very well you can remember for cube because all 6 are same squares only. So for one square, what is the area? A square. That means for 6 squares, 6a square. For curved surface, you will have 4 square. That means 4a square. So very easy. For your lifelong, you can't forget this formula. Isn't it? Do you follow, my dear? So first you should know these two. Whomsoever it is, you should know these two basic formula. If you know these two, then very well you will be able to say these remaining three. Is it okay? Thank you.